International sa pag-invite ng Lapita sa inyo pong pagtitima. Alright, giving you her last song, our winner for tonight, Miss Mary Ann Hermosa. Once again, my name is Chicky P. And I am Basha. You can add me on Facebook. Just type in Basha Montesa.
And my name is Nicole. You can add me sa Facebook, Rich Nerona. Ayan, follow nyo kasi Instagram, Insta ko. Tapos sa Twitter ko, Rich ako. Come on, guys.
And we are the
Lapipa.
Balakpakan for Miss Mary Ann Hermosa. Mula sa grand winner for this night. Kapitan natin, everyone. Sa mga ano po, buto na kayong Vicky Boys.
Yeah.
I saw on the radio, but it don't sound the same. Our friends took about you all the time to tear me down. My heart beats a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like too young, too dumb to realize that you should have bought me flowers and held my hand. Should have given me all your hours, but you had the chance. Take me to everybody, 'cause I remember so much of the day. There's all the things you should have done. You were my man. My pride, my ego, my needs in the selfish way. Just nice young love like this to walk out your life. Now we'll never get to clean up the mess we made. Oh, and it hurts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like too young to start to realize that you should have bought me flowers. Held my hand, should have given me all your hours when you had the chance. Take me to everybody, 'cause I remember how much I love today. There's all the things you should do. You are my man. Though it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was right. Oh, I know I'm fucking much too late to try and apologize for some mistake, but I just want you to know. I hope he holds my hand. Give me all his hours. If he had the chance, take me to everybody, 'cause he remember how much I love today. There's all the things you should have done. You are my man. There's all the things you should have done. You were my man.